My name is Samantha James. I decided to do undergraduate research because I have research experience before. I really enjoyed the research I did. I was working with a professor at another university on pharmaceutical analyses of various chemicals and their interactions with the body. I thought it was really interesting, and that was kind of what got me started in undergraduate research. I came to this university my sophomore year. I was a chem major before. I transferred over here and I became a biochemistry major. And that was actually how I got started in geology. Through geology, I met Dr. Zobaa. Using my class time with him, I've been able to ask him questions and get more involved with what he researches and what he does as a professor, other than teaching, of course. And that kind of was what inspired me to reach out to him and start doing research.
Yeah, so the UTPB offers a unique experience for undergraduate students to engage in research with experienced faculty. Research shows that students learn better from their own hands-on experience and research, and they get to engage in real life scientific problems and try to solve these problems through research. We have state-of-the-art laboratories here in the Department of Geosciences and in many laboratories across the campus that offer a good working environment for undergraduate students to conduct their research. The project that we are working on now is trying to find an alternative sample preparation method for extracting sedimentary organic matter from sedimentary rocks. Traditionally, we use HF to dissolve the silicate fraction of these rocks, and HF is a very dangerous acid. Comes with lots of problems as you deal with it in the lab. It would be nice to find an alternative technique that HF-free, and that's what we're using or trying to find. The idea started when I was showing a group of my undergraduate students in my paleontology class my lab, and I was telling them how we prepare rock samples and how we use HF. And I had Samantha in that group, and with her chemistry background, she suggested or floated the idea that why are you using HF and not using other techniques? And at that point in time, that is the only method that is found in I should say that is the only reliable method that is found in the literature. I have tried other alternatives in the past. They did not work as well as HF. They did not produce as a cleaner of a slide for examination under a microscope as using HF. So she told me about the methodology that she wants to employ, and I immediately thought that would be a good undergraduate research proposal. So we went ahead, submitted that proposal to the undergraduate research committee. It was approved, and we received the funding, and here we go. We're working on that, and we'll see. We have first, as part of the project, tested 5 samples prepared 5 samples using the traditional methodology. Then we're now in the process of testing the alternative.
So if you're wanting to join, if you're contemplating joining undergraduate research, I think that it's a great idea. It's a great investment of your time. You won't be disappointed. The facilities at UTPB are top-notch. The professors are also top-notch. They're really good about helping you in any way, shape, or form that you need it, whether it's some advice, some supply item, whatever. They're always willing to go above and beyond, and that's regardless of the department you're in. They're really just great instructors, and they really help you know the material and learn it well. Additionally, I think that it's not boring, undergraduate research. Maybe other people think it is, but I happen to think it is extremely fascinating. I like learning about things that, in this case, things we can't see, and what interactions go on among those things.